Welcome to Parquet Flooring Dubai. Hey! Are you torn between herringbone and parquet flooring? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare these two popular flooring options so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Pattern. The most noticeable difference between herringbone and parquet flooring lies in their patterns. Herringbone flooring features a zigzag pattern, resembling the bones of a herring fish, with rectangular planks laid at a 90-degree angle to each other. Parquet flooring, on the other hand, typically consists of small wooden blocks arranged in various geometric patterns, such as squares, rectangles, or lozenges. Installation. The installation process for herringbone requires precise measurements and careful alignment of each individual plank to achieve the desired zigzag pattern. It is commonly installed by interlocking tongue and groove planks or by gluing them down. Parquet flooring, on the other hand, is typically installed using adhesive to affix the small wooden blocks to the subfloor, forming the chosen pattern. Visual impact. While both herringbone and parquet flooring offer a visually appealing look, they create different overall effects. Herringbone flooring often gives a sense of elegance, sophistication, and a timeless aesthetic. Its angular pattern creates a dynamic visual impact and can make a room appear larger. Parquet flooring, with its intricate geometric patterns, adds a unique decorative element and can create a sense of warmth and charm. Thank you for joining us today as we delved into the world of herringbone and parquet flooring. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you choose the best flooring option for your needs.